Hi, it's Lily, Toy Adventures. Today we're going to be making doll toilet paper. This will be our packaging, this will be the roll, and I made this out of cutting toilet paper, like this. Okay, let's get started. Divide this into 3 pieces. Cut it like this. Get the extra things out, like this. And peel it off. And we're gonna cut it again. And then get our hot glue here, and then press, and then do it 2 more times. And then let's glue the toilet paper. Wrap until it's all gone. Keep wrapping. I wrapped it all up. Now I'm just gonna put a dab of glue and then glue it down. Press. All right, and almost done. And another dab. And see all my rolls here? I'm all done. Now it's time to draw with this 96 pack of crayons. You really don't have to get all of these crayons, but you just need all the colors. But right now, this is a certain type of Ziploc bag, so get this. Okay, just like I said. All right. Time to color. Look at all those crayons. What's a person's hair color like? I think it's like this. So we're gonna draw some hair. So this peach right here. Draw the face. And you put it back in the box, and now we're gonna draw sorry, the black eyes and eyelashes, and then that's a doll. Well, now that we got this logo going, we need to cut it out. And then we need to stack them up like this. Put them in the package 1 by 1. No, it doesn't look like a package, but it will soon. And then get the hot glue gun, put that on the rim. Oh no. Press. And then we need to put glue right here. And then put the logo on with hot glue. And make sure to put hot glue on the sides. You can draw any doll face you want. And then you put a dab. And then the doll can hold the toilet paper And ta-da! You're done. Bye guys. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and give it a like.